Pound yen, we had amazing short trade this morning. Beautiful breakout short trade. We squeeze amazing profit. We had a one more pullback, squeeze amazing profit. As you can see here, the price nicely respected. We also had a long trade here. Beautiful squeeze, and right now the price respected here. And this resistance support, resistance level, we also had a short trade here. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze all these entries and the trades and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the intraday analysis. Hello trader, today is a Thursday, 12th of June 2025. What an amazing day, guys. Beautiful analysis and beautiful trade. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today. Let's look at the analysis. All right, guys, let's look at the pound dollar. And if you're following my analysis on the YouTube, as you have seen yesterday, as I mentioned about this long trade, we had this beautiful long trade here. So this morning, we had, you can see here the price nicely broken this previous high and price retest. So we have this beautiful breakout long trade here, and afterwards price nicely respected this previous high. So we also had this counter short trade here, squeeze amazing profit, and as you can see the price nicely respected this support level. We also had a long trade here, and afterwards we continue long, and if the price respected the major support resistance level, we also had this counter short trade here. Now let me share with you guys all these entries, how we analyze through intraday system. And if you look at the pound dollar, that was a pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful long trade here this morning. This was the analysis based on the Asian session. We had this morning breakout and pullback, squeeze amazing profit on pound dollar. Then, as you can see, a price nicely respected. We had a short trade here, and that was the beautiful breakout, amazing short trade, squeeze amazing profit. We had impulsive reaction, hit to the profit target. And after banking some profit, we also had a long trade when the price respected the support level. Then we had a long trade here. We explained our trader that we have impulsive reaction. After impulsive, if the price does not develop any correction, it means this is going to be a continuation long trade here, which safest way, as explained. Let's look at this breakout. After this breakout, we have a one pullback, second pullback, squeeze amazing profit. We also did this another analysis at this level just to help our trader not to miss this opportunity. And that was a beautiful long trade, as you can see here, nicely hit to the profit target. And once they hit to the resistance level, we also had a counter short trade here, and which traders are still holding short on this pound dollar. And if you look at the intraday, sort of like we can see here, head and shoulder pattern is developing it. That gives us the high probability, and afterwards we are still looking pullback short trade on pound dollar. So you can see, guys, we really enjoy amazing trade on pound dollar. So if you look at the pound yen trade, pound yen, we had amazing short trade this morning. Beautiful breakout short trade. We squeeze amazing profit. We had a one more pullback, squeeze amazing profit. As you can see here, the price nicely respected. We also had a long trade here. Beautiful squeeze, and right now the price respected here. And this resistance support, resistance level, we also had a short trade here. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze all these entries and the trades and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the intraday analysis. So if you look at the pound yen, we had a beautiful trade, guys. You can see that was a pretty straightforward London morning session. We had a beautiful breakout short trade here, and afterward we had a pullback short trade. Even after that, we had another beautiful short trade here and squeeze amazing profit. That was the last trade here. And once the price developed false breakout, and we had a counter long trade here. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the counter long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here, price came back here and price nicely broke on the previous high. After that, another pullback, two pullbacks with amazing profit. And then we also had a counter short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward price develop. If you look at here, the price developed head and shoulder pattern, beautiful broken this low and squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. All right, let's look at the Euro USD now, guys. And if you look at the Euro USD, our bias is long. If you follow our analysis on the YouTube yesterday, we had this beautiful rally. Price nicely stayed above, broke on this previous high. And you can see here we have this beautiful long trade here. And we've been taking a long trade here, especially when we see this price action. If you look at this candle, we have a bullish engulfing candle. And afterwards, as explained, trader just keep taking a pullback. This was the target, price nicely hit and bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, we also had the short trade here, and trader are still holding short trade here. And if you look at the candlestick pattern, we have bearish inside candle pattern is developed. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit in intraday. That was a pretty straightforward. We've been taking a long trade here, beautiful breakout, squeeze amazing profit, long, and then afterwards we have another beautiful long trade. And that was the London morning session. Beautiful breakout and squeeze amazing profit on pound dollar, sorry, Euro USD. And after banking some profit, we had another beautiful long trade here, which is we explain any pullback would consider high probability trade. Then we announce all these three pullbacks, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, we also had another last pull breakout long trade here, as you can see here. As mentioned to my trader, we are looking at confirmation for the short. If we don't get any confirmation in intraday, we are still looking long because the price, if you look at the momentum, was still bullish. So we had this is the last long trade we had it. Price nicely, hit previous high and developed the bottom. Then afterwards, we have taking a short trade here. Now let me share with you guys the last counter short trade, how we analyze the market. So that was a pretty straightforward. Once the price developed major resistance level in 4 hour double top, price nicely broken. Even the price broken, and after that, price retest, give us the confirmation. As you can see here, beautiful short trade. And afterwards, we have another beautiful, pullback short trade here and squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. But if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast going trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.